Hello dear students, today we are going to learn chapter number 8, pronouns. The words that are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. Let's see what are these words: he, she, it, we, they, you and I. Now let's see this with some examples. He is used for a boy or a man. For example, Ram is my friend. He is a doctor. Whatever you are going to talk about a boy or a man, you will convert that person's name into he. Now next word is she. She is used for a girl or a woman. Let's see with the example. Priya is a singer. She is very beautiful. Here Priya is a girl, and when we are changing the noun into pronoun, Priya will become she. Okay children? Now the next word is it. It is used for animal or things. Let's see with the example. This is an elephant. It is very strong. Whenever we talk about animals or things, we use the word it. Okay children? Here it is for the animals. The next word is you. You is used when we are talking to someone in front of us. For example, this teacher is talking to a boy and she is saying, "You are a smart boy." Okay? She is talking to the boy. Now the next pronoun word is we. We is used when you are talking about yourself along with others. For example, in this picture you can see three children are studying. Whenever you are talking about yourself and somebody else with you, you will use the word we. Here the boy is saying we are studying. So he has included himself and he is talking about rest of his friends who are studying together. Now the next pronoun word is they. They is used when you are talking about other people, animal or things. Here you will be talking about a group of people, animals or things. For example, they are playing footballs. Now students, start the time of activity. For activity we need some material, and after that we make some clouds. And after that we cut the clouds, and after that we will write pronouns word each and every clouds, like he, she, it, they and we. Okay children? And after that make a circle inside the clouds like this. And after that fill it with different colors like yellow, green, orange, red and blue. How children? Look at this. After that kids, we will take a plain A4 sheet for activity. Firstly, we will write the name of the activity in it. will write description for activity. Use the color code to color the pronouns. This is our activity, everyone. And then paste the clouds on paper. Now children, make a box like a square, like this. And then write some words inside the box, like Meena, parents, hat, girl, zebra, Rohan, cat, house, friends, aunt, cow, book, car, Priti, fan, uncle, mobile, and any name like Rudra and Vinayak. Now kids, you have to circle all the words like this. It is done, everyone. As you can see that a color has been given in front of each pronoun word. And now dear students, try to replace noun words with pronoun words with the help of color code. Okay everyone? Now do this activity yourself.